Hi everyone, welcome back to your channel once again. And in this video, we are going to talk about writing and how you can improve your writing skills with time because everything happens with time. You cannot do it all at once. So let's begin. So, first, you need to start reading because I always mention that reading and writing they are like H2O and oxygen. So both of them are important, and reading is important for you to expand your learning and think beyond what what is written in the book. Sometimes when I used to read, our teacher used to say that uh, our English teacher, that when you are reading certain stuff, try to think about the background, try to think about what's actually happening in the environment, try to think about all those things that the author was going through while writing this. So I think reading and reading extensively, reading carefully, it's not about reading 100 books, but reading that one book carefully and with utmost focus and attention. Second is to write as much as you can, and if we flip it, it is going to be the same. Either you can start by reading, or you can start by writing. But when you write as much as you can, because someone asked me on Quora, and I'm still upset about this fact that someone can ask me this question, that how can I start writing without physically writing anything, without actually having to write anything. I mean, maybe I didn't get the question, but I answered him like, how can you breathe without actually breathing in? I think I was a little sarcastic, but this question didn't make sense at all because you need to write to actually get a grip on this, to get a hold of this. You need to write, and there's no other way around. For writing, for becoming a good writer, or for becoming a better writer, for improving every single day, you need to write. And I remember I watched a YouTube video a couple of years ago, and there was this lady, she was an author, and she said that no matter which skill you're pursuing, it will take years and years to master it. But if you spend, few minutes or some hours of your day doing that thing every single day, it will compound with time because atomic habits, 1% every day, everything will compound. And this is something that was stuck in my head, and I started improving. No matter what I do, no matter how difficult the situation is, I have to write no matter what. So for being a better writer, you need to write as much as you can, and there's no other way. Third is grammar. Try to work on your grammar whenever you have time. Just start working on your grammar, because I think I have improved a lot, because when I started speaking and when I started reading and when I started writing, grammar was not in my dictionary. I did not open grammar at all. I had that basic understanding of grammar till 12th standard. I had some very incredible teachers. Honestly, for English we had some incredible teachers. For all subjects, I think in 11th and 12th, accountancy and English and everything. But for grammar, she was a wonderful woman. And in 9th standard and 10th standard, all those teachers, I mean, shaped me, because I never really opened the grammar book and dictionary and everything. But nowadays, I go and read and I try to understand it well so that I can use it in my creative expertise. So you need to know about metaphors, you need to know about punctuation, you need to read and you need to write, and you need to keep in mind how I can make that you know more understandable, more clear, concise. So one wrong punctuation mark could make a difference, like it could turn the whole sentence upside down. So you need to focus on these things as well. Now coming to the fourth point, I again lost track of the points. Yeah, I think it's the fourth. Take inspiration from people, not copy them. You need to take inspiration from people who are better than you, who have done that, who've been there. They already have what you need. So take inspiration from them, read more of their work, appreciate their work, reach out into their DMs, ask them how they did that, and how you can expect them to teach you, There are so many good people. If you reach out on the right platform like LinkedIn, they will get back to you and they will help you out. So if you do not have any mentor, otherwise you have YouTube and you have a lot of people you can get mentored from. Last bit of advice, the fifth advice is to not compare your journey or yours or like someone else's journey to yours, because we all have a unique journey and we all are trying to figure out. So just don't stress yourself out. Keep it very short and simple. Keep it slow and steady, because slow and steady growth, I love it. It makes you more humble, it makes you more reliant, it makes you more resilient. So go slow and steady and keep improving yourself 1% every single day. I'll see you next time. Till then, take care of yourself. Bye. Take care.